This is JAOKPO, native 720p, 4K through 1080p. It's a FHD mini projector, indoor-outdoor. It's got auto keystroke. You can adjust the unit as it goes on an angle and so forth. As you can see, it's going to adjust and level out. As you rotate it to get it to the matching screen you want, these are the photo images that I shot that is on a hard drive, a portable drive. We can now go and hook up to the internet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and hotspot. It has a minimum focus range of 2 feet. Could go as big as you want. See at nighttime, outdoors, on a 100-inch projection screen. I'm going to back out, pointing the remote control. As you can see, it's got the on and off. Takes a minute to start up, and you can shut down after a minute. And a 5D joystick, the undo, back button, home button, and so forth. I'm going to hit the home button and get back to the main screen. I have a memory card that's in, which is a portable hard drive. And I'm going to cancel out, and there is my main screen. I need to adjust it to my screen over here by just rotating it some. You want to hook up Netflix, YouTube, Google Play, applications, files, HDMI cable, not included, nor batteries. They are optional. You can hook up Chrome, add it in there. We're going to go to YouTube. Simply hit YouTube and open up. It has an audible speaker that will give you sound. Play a video. Pick a video by pointing to the machine. And we have a video playing of a product review showing you on the mini projector screen, and make as large as possible to fit your screen. Now what we're going to do is show that video outdoors on a wall. We're setting up in the kitchen wall so we could give a presentation. And then we'll go outside in the backyard. And we're going to set it up and play a video off of YouTube. As we have here, the video playing, and we'll show this outside, what it looks like. So here we are with the video playing on a nice large screen. You get an idea what it looks like in a mini HD projector. I hope you enjoy your product if you're looking to make presentations and more. A little focus, everything looks nice and large on a background. So if you're looking for an outdoor mini projector, this may be something that you are after. I hope you enjoy the product if this is right for you.